Not only will Spiffy outconvert any other system at checkout, but Spiffy is also the most powerful solution to maximizing revenue through the buying experience with post-purchase one-click upsells and downsell offers. We call that feature set flows. So you can build a checkout flow or a checkout experience that's designed to maximize revenue from every single buyer. The fastest way that you can boost revenue is by implementing a post-purchase one-click upsell offer that's relevant to what they just purchased. We've seen this grow revenue by 17 to 25% just by implementing one-click upsell offer to put right in front of your customer when they've already made that decision to work with you. So it's a great way to boost revenue quickly, and Spiffy has the feature set to make it simple and powerful for you to implement in your business extremely fast. So with that being said, let's jump in and show you all of the features with checkout flows in Spiffy Checkouts. All right, in this video, we're going to do a high-level overview of upsells. There's a couple different types of upsells. As we mentioned, the most common upsell is a post-purchase one-click upsell, and that is a fast way to generate revenue. In this checkout here, there are also a couple other upsell offers that we set up that are displayed a couple different ways. So here we have a couple different options that impact the price that are technically upsells. So in this instance, we're selling a course that comes with some live event tickets, and they can upsell or upgrade to preferred seating or a VIP experience and add different options to the checkout that impact price. We also have another little, what we call an add-on offer. It's also referred to as a checkbox offer bump. And we make it really simple to add multiple of these to a checkout. You can have more than one, and you can trigger different automations based off of whether or not they take these upsells. So those are a couple different options. This video is really going to be focused on post-purchase one-click upsells, as you have a lot more real estate to add copy at a sales video and really drive revenue with a post-purchase one-click upsell where your customer will see an offer after they complete this form. So over here on the left-hand side, you'll see a tab called Flow, and this is where you can build your post-purchase one-click upsell flow. In this video, this will be a high-level overview, so we're not going to jump into the actual tactics of setting up this entire thing. It's really just meant to paint the picture of what's possible with Spiffy in Spiffy University. That's university.spiffy.co. There are tutorials and documentation on everything that we're going to cover today. The purpose of this video is strictly to show you what's possible with Spiffy and how it can directly impact your revenue. So in this canvas, you have the ability to drag and drop these different steps of your checkout experience and add different steps in between. So here, by default, the most simple setup is having a checkout page that goes directly to a thank you page. We want to break that connection really quick and add an upsell step in between. So we'll just keep this simple for now, and we'll just add a one-click upsell where everyone that goes from the checkout, they'll see the same one-click upsell offer, and they'll go to a thank you page, the same thank you page, whether or not they take the upsell offer. The next level of complexity is taking people to two different thank you pages based on what they select at this upsell offer. After that, the next level of complexity is adding either two different upsell offers, or maybe it's the same upsell offer with different messaging based on whether or not they take this add-on offer bump. So that's the most common use case for dividing logic to upsell offers. Is you can show people different offers based on how they interact with the checkout and how they interact with previous upsell steps. So depending on whether or not they take this one-click upsell here as an add-on, you can show them different upsell offers and take them down different checkout flows based on how they interact with the checkout. You would then add other thank you pages over here. If you wanted to get really fancy with it, you can have it be set up so that depending on what combination of products, they go to a completely unique thank you page. Showing you another example similar to this that we already have built out. I'm going to pop into this checkout and show you a flow that's just a little bit more sophisticated with a couple upsells and downsells. And basically, again, this is not necessarily where you start. If you have an established business with lots of offers that are closely related, then this might be something that you can implement right away. But this is also something to think about when you're building your next offers is what type of offers can you build that are easy and simple to create, that are complementary to some of your core offers, your core programs, your products or services, and build a checkout experience that's optimized to maximize revenue. Oftentimes the easiest and fastest thing to build as an upsell offer is some type of one-on-one service. So if you don't have an upsell product, if you want to maximize revenue and you have some type of one-on-one coaching, consulting, setup help, any type of one-on-one service, that's the easiest type of offer because it basically takes no time to create other than formulating what that offer is and putting it out there. The other cool thing about upsell flows and one-click upsells is we have our hosted pages that make it really fast and simple to get a mobile optimized and conversion optimized checkout up and running. And the cool thing about our hosted templates are, one, you have a couple different layouts. You have our simple default upsell, and we have a video upsell where you can add a sales video to your upsell page. The buttons on our hosted upsell pages will actually stay fixed to the bottom of the screen on a mobile device, which makes it really easy for your customers to select yes or no and move through the checkout flow, optimizing conversions. You also have the ability to create a custom upsell page. So you have full control and flexibility over the entire look and feel of your checkout flow. So you can obviously, as we've mentioned in previous videos, you can embed your main checkout on your own website. So you can embed Spiffy right into any landing page builder. So this is the main checkout form. They'd fill out this checkout and you can build a one-click upsell page with all of your content, images, videos, etc. in your page builder, and just give the buttons functionality to charge or decline that offer. So you basically will tell Spiffy where to redirect on your website. So once the successful purchase is made, send them to this URL. You need to add this code to that page, and then you have your accept and decline buttons, smart links that you would add to your buttons on your website. Another cool feature is actually what we call one-click upgrades. So you have the ability, if you're selling a subscription on the main checkout, to actually create a subscription upgrade. So you can set it up so that your main offer is selling a monthly subscription. And if they select the monthly option, you can create a one-click upgrade to have a one-click offer to immediately upgrade to the annual subscription. There's some nuances to how that works. If you have a one-click upgrade added to your checkout flow, it will actually delay the processing of the initial subscription until the upgrade offer is either accepted or rejected. Or if they abandon the upsell flow altogether, the original order will still process after some time. So again, check Spiffy University. Again, check Spiffy University. That's university.spiffy.co for more nuances if that's a feature that interests you. There are other content settings and button settings as far as changing button colors and things of that nature, button text. So there's some other features here as well. But that is the gist of post-purchase one-click upsells. You can create unlimited number of upsells and downsells to create your perfect optimized checkout flow. Obviously, there's a point of diminishing returns. No one likes a checkout experience that has 17 different upsells. So typically having 2 or 3 steps through the checkout process and guiding people down different paths based off of what they've selected in the buying process as a best practice. Also, it's important to see how your upsells are impacting sales. So on our checkouts dashboard, you have the overall performance where you can see average order value. Obviously, if you have upsells, the average order value is going to increase based off of the conversion rate of your upsells. You also have upsell performance where you can see all upsells, the number of upsells, and the revenue collected from upsells. You can see the number of add-on sales and the percent of conversion rate of the add-on offer, and your upsell rate and how many upsells were taken and the percentage of your upsell offers. And then also the average impact, AOV impact of just your upsell offers. So how much are your upsells increasing your average order value? There are some other cool reports and analytics that are helpful as well as far as product sales. are concerned, you can actually filter this based off of different upsell offers. This is all based off of the naming convention of your items. So if you want to group product sales, be intentional with how you name your upsells. So as you can see, we make it super simple to create a basic upsell flow using our hosted templates that make it simple to add and create an optimized checkout experience. Then you also have the ability to create your custom checkout flow with our custom upsell pages, giving you complete flexibility and control over the design, look, and feel of your upsell pages. So isn't that incredible? You can just see and build your entire checkout experience all in one view, point, click, drag and drop. And you no longer have to hire an expensive developer or fiddle with a bunch of custom code to get a revenue maximized checkout experience working for you around the clock 24/7. Anyone can build a revenue optimized checkout experience with Spiffy's smart one-click upsell and downsell flows to maximize revenue through that buying experience. It's all about getting the right message with the right offer in front of the customer. And the best time to do that is when they're right there excited to buy from you. So let's get some of these things implemented in your business. So take Spiffy for a test drive for the next 30 days. You're covered by our 30-day 100% money back guarantee. Create an account, schedule a one-on-one call with our team. Let's help you get set up extremely quickly so you can use that full 30 days to take Spiffy for a test. And if Spiffy's not the right solution for your business for whatever reason, just let us know. We're extremely confident that Spiffy is the right solution for your business and is going to help you grow your sales and maximize revenue. So get started today. We look forward to chatting with you soon.